Hello, welcome. In this short video, let us look at the definition of geometric random variable. The experiment corresponding to geometric random variable consists of a series of quality control tests. That is, we have multiple trials of a quality control test. So at every trial or at every test, we have basically two possible outcomes. First one is accept, denoted by letter A, and second outcome is reject, that is denoted by letter R. So given the probability that a subject or product is rejected at a given trial is P, then the probability that it is accepted is given by 1 minus P. So the goal is to determine the probability that a subject or product is rejected at a trial number Y. And the random variable is obviously the number of trials, which is obviously an integer. So at trial number 1, that is for Y equal to 1, the probability is given by the probability that the subject is rejected is given by P. And if it is accepted at this trial, then the probability that it will be rejected in the second trial is given by P times 1 minus P, as shown by this tree. And similarly, for Y equal to 3, that is at trial number 3, the probability that it will be rejected at this trial is P times 1 minus P square. Obviously, it is accepted in the first two trials. And similarly, in general, for the trial number Y, so the probability that the subject is or the product is rejected at this trial is equal to P times the product of the probabilities that will be accepted in all the previous trials. That is P times 1 minus P power Y minus 1. Therefore, the definition of a probability mass function of a geometric random variable is given by Py of Y is equal to P times 1 minus P power Y minus 1, where Y is equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on. So obviously Y is an integer, and for all the other values, all the other real values of Y which are not integers, the probability mass function is obviously 0. This is a graphical representation of the probability mass function of the geometric random variable. Note that the probability mass function is at its maximum at Y equal to 1, and since the probability mass function reduces geometrically as the value of test index increases from 1 to infinity, this distribution is named geometric distribution. In summary, geometric random variable basically consists of a series of control tests, and the results or outcomes can be characterized or illustrated by using a tree diagram. And the probability that the test subject or test product is rejected at a particular trial is calculated by just multiplying the probabilities along the relevant path. Thanks for watching.